Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories and the final video of Onam Special Payasam Series. Today we will be preparing a variety payasam, Apple Payasam. So let's get started. In a pan, we will add around 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it melts, we will add around 2 apples which we have grated after removing the skin. Saute it nicely. We will add around 1 tablespoon of sugar. Saute this for around 10 minutes till it cooks completely and all the water gets dried up. Once done, keep it aside. In a separate vessel, we will add around 1 liter of milk, a pinch of saffron. This is completely optional. You can skip this as it is just to give a nice color to our payasam. Now heat this on medium flame, and once it starts to boil, we will add around half cup of condensed milk. You can also add sugar instead of condensed milk. Mix it well and cook it till it is reduced to little bit more than half of its quantity. Keep stirring it. Now it has reached our desired level. Now we will add our apple mix which we prepared earlier. Mix it well and cook it again for 5 more minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring it continuously. And after 5 minutes, we will add around 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Finally, for garnishing, we will add little bit of chopped almonds, cashews and pistachios. Our payasam is ready. Serve it hot or refrigerate it and serve it chilled, which kids will love for sure. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.